I can't be handcuffed!
Stop.
I can't be handcuffed!
Stop it, now.
Who has my vape? Who has my vape?
Welcome to Crystal Lake, Illinois, the 502 Link Go See. It's just after 7 p.m. on December 6th, and deputies are about to meet a teenager suspected of drunk driving. This encounter is about to take a dramatic turn.
On the window.
I'm sorry, hello?
Hi, miss. I'm Officer Coster with Crystal Lake Police Department. We're just talking to you because we got a couple complaints that you might have been swerving on the road or...
We need you to step out, okay? You're gonna come and talk with us over here, okay? All right, my dear, here. Put your right against there. This officer is gonna ask you some questions, okay?
Deputies catch up with the suspect in a parking lot after receiving multiple complaints about a car swerving on the road and following other vehicles. Deputies identified the suspect as an 18-year-old named Ellie G. Masukevich, 18, and decided to search her car. Let's see how that goes.
So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have you stand by with these officers and I'm gonna search your vehicle.
You don't have the warrant to do that.
Actually, I have probable cause because I observed alcohol.
You don't have warrant to do that.
Because I observed
I
alcohol.
have a right to not let you search my car.
Okay, so
I have a right to not let you search my car.
Unfortunately,
no, I have a right to not let you search my car.
We're not doing this.
As Ellie is questioned, deputies decide to search her car, but Ellie doesn't agree with their decision.
You know my rights, and you know I have a right to not let you search my car.
Okay, listen, I don't...
Weed in the center console. There's a pipe I see.
Yeah, and
listen,
they don't have a right to search my car.
Listen to me.
They don't.
Chill out, okay?
I know
because
you...
I don't want to have to put you in handcuffs right now.
I know you don't have a right to search my car.
You need to relax.
Exception to the law. It's called a mobile conveyance.
You guys looked in my car before you have the right to search my car. And so you don't have a right to search my car.
There's also plain view.
You don't have a right to search my car.
I do.
No, you don't.
Okay.
So despite the officer's attempts to explain, Ellie refuses to cooperate, escalating the situation.
I'm
Don't
telling
touch
you
me
for a
like
fact
that.
you don't have a right to search my car.
So listen to me. This is gonna go one of two ways, okay? I would rather not put you in handcuffs.
Ellie's resistance leads to her being placed under arrest for illegal consumption of alcohol by a minor.
You can't search my car without a warrant.
It's all on body cam.
You can't search my car without a warrant. No, you can't.
Turn around. Turn around.
Do not handcuff me.
We're not going to do this. We're not going to do this.
Chill. Turn around. Stop.
Please don't handcuff me. I'll go with them to the cop car. Please don't handcuff me. I'll go with them to the car. I'll go with them to the car right now. Please don't handcuff me.
Even while restrained, Ellie continues to argue and resist, making it clear she won't go quietly.
We already spoke about this. We gave you the option.
Don't handcuff me. I'll go to the car with them right now, please. I'll go to the car with them right now. Please don't handcuff me. I'm trying to.
We're not going to do this.
Ellie, stop. You got her?
I can't be handcuffed. Please, I'm trying to.
Ellie,
I can't be handcuffed.
stop.
I can't be handcuffed.
Stop it, now.
The cop tells Ellie she's getting arrested, and that's when things start to get crazy.
I'll go to the car.
Stop
I
it.
can't be handcuffed.
Ellie, okay, right now you're being placed under arrest, okay? For, well, we're gonna figure it out. It's at least, we'll go illegal consumption of alcohol by a minor right now, okay? Do you have the key? Stop. Stop.
Ellie,
Stop.
let's not do that.
Stop it. Stop it.
I can't be in handcuffs.
Just make sure that she...
I can't be in handcuffs.
Stop, Ellie.
Ellie, we're not doing this. Ellie,
I can't
Ellie,
be in handcuffs.
we're not doing this.
Take me out of
Come
I
on.
can't be in handcuffs.
As deputies struggle to get Ellie into the patrol car, she continues to resist, making the situation more difficult.
Listen to
Take
me.
me out of the handcuffs.
Ellie, stop.
Take me out of the handcuffs.
Stop.
I got her.
Take me out of the handcuffs.
Ellie, listen to me.
Take me out of the handcuffs, sir.
Ellie,
Take me out of the handcuffs.
Ellie, stop. Take me out of the handcuffs, then.
You're making it worse for yourself. Ellie, come on.
You are, seriously, because what's going to end up happening...
Take me out of them.
Ellie, stop.
Take me out.
Ellie, stop.
Take me out of them.
Stop it.
Take them out.
Ellie, listen to me. Walk, step her over here.
Take them out.
Listen to me.
Take them
take a deep breath. Listen to me.
Deputies try to calm the suspected drunk driver down, but this turned-up teen has other ideas. After multiple warnings, Ellie continues to resist, leading deputies to use methods to restrain her further.
Chill. You have to chill out.
Please take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
Please.
Right now, I can't. You know why?
I'll sit here if you take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
If not, I'll run out.
Surprisingly, that offer doesn't go over well with the deputies, and it isn't long until Ellie gives them another ultimatum.
How about we try to do some breathing, okay?
He can buckle me up if you take off the handcuffs, please.
Sweetheart,
he can't buckle
sweetheart,
me
I
if not.
cannot.
He can't buckle me
Okay,
if not.
so listen. This is the deal. If you keep fighting like this, my sergeant's on his way here, and he has this device called the wrap, okay?
The wrap is a restraint device used to prevent suspects from harming themselves or others. While it may look severe, it is often necessary to control uncooperative individuals.
And it completely restrains you. Listen to me. You have to listen to me. If you can't calm yourself down the way we are now, I am going to have to put you in that, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that because we're calm and we're talking right now, okay? So we have to stop, okay? You have to stop. Take some deep breaths. Let's do some grounding. Can we do some grounding? Can we do some grounding together, Ellie?
Even as she was placed in the patrol car, Ellie continued to resist and make demands. The deputies remained professional, trying to calm her down and explain the situation.
I can't wear them.
Ellie.
It feels like I'm going to Utah.
Ellie, stop.
Ellie, if you
Stop.
do that one more time, I'm going to put you in the wrap.
Stop it.
Okay?
Then please take the handcuffs
No.
off me.
Then you're going to get put in the wrap. Those are your options. If
Please?
you bang your head one more time, I'm going to put you in the wrap.
Please take the
No,
handcuffs
it's not
off.
going to happen.
After deputies give Ellie multiple warnings, I'll give you one guess what happens next.
Just because you're with the law does not mean you can touch me without consent.
You're just making it
You
worse for yourself.
can't
Ellie,
touch me
Step out of the
without consent. Ow! Ow!
Let him set it off
You
first,
can't
and then we'll bring it out.
touch
'Cause
me
he's gonna grab the wrap.
without
My assumption.
consent.
Yeah, that's exactly what he's doing. So we'll set it up, and then we can just lift her.
Ow!
Deputies bring in the WAP to further restrain our suspect. Take a look.
Just to keep her in there
You
until we set
can't
this up.
touch me without consent.
The deputies get the device set up and take Ellie out of the patrol car.
Ah! 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 Stop touching me! You guys are old men! Stop!
hit me. Careful, watch your head.
Stop touching me!
Watch your leg. All right, I got the head. If you guys.
Stop touching me! It hurts! It hurts!
Stop
It hurts!
Stop
It hurts! It hurts! Ow!
Let me do
Stop!
Ellie,
Ow!
you have to stop.
Let me go then! It hurts!
You gotta take some
Ow! 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 Do you know how bad it hurts the position I'm in right now? Ow! Let me stand up then!
Stop trying to bite. Stop trying to bite.
It takes 5 deputies to restrain the 18-year-old, and once in the wrap, Ellie keeps it up.
How's that?
Is that off your stomach?
Can you get it anymore?
Try. Not too hard.
Ellie appears to spit at the deputies, and that's not all.
He's gonna double check your
Ellie,
cuffs, Ellie.
stop digging your fingernails
If
into
you
my
fight him, he
pants.
can't check your cuffs.
They hurt so
You
bad!
fight him,
He
What
should
you
have
avoiding?
checked them
he's
before.
going to double check
He
them.
should have
Just relax.
checked. He should have checked them before putting them on me.
I don't
back
think.
there.
I think she's gonna be hitting her head against the side. I think ambulance transport might.
Shut the f. No, I can't go in the ambulance. I will not hit my head. I can't go in an ambulance. If you call my sister right when you get the.
Hey, Ellie.
I can't go in an
so you
ambulance.
can,
My stomach just hurts.
Stop.
Let go of my stomach.
Gotta stop.
Can you please unbuckle the belt of my
No.
stomach? It
No.
hurts. Let go of the one on my stomach. It's sticking.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying to help
Let go of
you.
it. It hurts.
You have to stop. You're pulling on it.
It hurts.
Okay, stop so we can fix it, okay?
What?
We gotta lift her up, put her in. Hold on, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Dude, I'm gonna put you guys recorded your complaint. It hurts! Stop fighting.
Once wrapped up, Ellie is put into the patrol car where she repeatedly asks the deputies,
Who has my vape? Who has my vape? Who has my vape? Ah! 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 Ah!
Throw tantrum continues for some time until our suspect literally turns this investigation on its head.
Why are you answering? Ah! 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 I'm stuck! Help me! Help me, please! Ow! Please! Help! Please! Please help me! Ah! Please! Ah! Please! Please help me! Please! Please! Please help me! I can't breathe! Please! Please help me! Why are you guys helping me? Please help me! Please! Please help me! Please! I hate cops!
Back at Ellie's car, deputies uncover something suspicious.
Yeah, there it is.
Got it? Where is it? Under her.
Under her seat.
A half-empty bottle of vodka is found under the driver's side seat. But that's not all. Deputies also confiscated a glass pipe along with the vodka. Back with our suspect, who's now upright and at the jail, deputies prepare to take her out of the restraint.
She's been kidnapped.
Get my handcuffs off me. Get this out of my mouth. Get this out of my mouth.
Miss, what's your name?
Ellie, get this out of my mouth.
Okay, Ellie, you gotta tell me what's going on today. What happened?
Get this out of my mouth right now. I can't.
Ellie, you gotta talk to me.
Get the hair in. I can't talk to hair in. Out of my mouth. I can't talk in my mouth. Get it out and talk. Get this out of my mouth. Thank you. Can you please get the hair out of my mouth?
At the jail, our suspect lets them know she might know a thing or two about this situation.
Black is important to be black to know what's going on. Look at that stupid.
Ellie was informed that she would have to spend the night until a judge could set her bail.
What's your question? No, in the morning. In the morning.
Why not tonight? They told me tonight.
No, you have to see the judge.
What if I can't my parents?
What's that?
If my parents bail me out tonight, if they bring me to the judge?
No, you don't have a bail until the judge sets it. You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
No, I won't!
You'll be fine. It's just this right now. We'll see how it progresses.
Our suspect tries again to plead with deputies.
I need to go home tonight.
Take some deep breaths. Okay? And trust me, these young ladies that you're talking to, you're in good hands, okay?
If I call my parents, they'll say whatever it is to get me out tonight. I can't be here.
Okay. Let's try it. Why don't we try some coping skills, okay?
I can't be here tonight. I really can't be here tonight.
It's gonna be okay.
I can't be here tonight. It's not gonna be okay.
Ellie Masukevich faces serious charges including DUI, 5 counts of aggravated battery on a peace officer, resisting arrest, and illegal possession of liquor under 21. She later pled not guilty to the charges, and that case is still pending.
I'm going to book you in a little while, okay? I'm going to give you 3 free phone calls, but listen, you're going to be down here just for tonight. You're going to, listen, Ellie, listen to me. It's just for tonight. Listen, Ellie. I know, but is there anyone you can call?
My parents.
Okay, but listen, come by the door so that I don't have to. Listen, unfortunately, you're gonna have to spend the night.
No, I can't.
Ellie, listen for a second. Let me talk. I know, Ellie. I know, but listen, Ellie, you're not gonna go anywhere. You're just gonna be here. I'm gonna be here all night long.
I can't stay
Listen,
here.
Ellie.
I can't.
I understand, but you have no choice.
Let me call my parents.
Yeah.
Ellie's case is still pending, and she has pled not guilty to the charges. This incident highlights the serious consequences of underage drinking and resisting law enforcement.
I'm gonna let you. In the morning, they'll bail you out.
No, don't bail me out right now.
Ellie, the judge has to issue the bond, and he's not here. Not till the morning.
Please call the judge then, please.
It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work
I
like
can't
that.
stay here.
Ellie, you got no choice.
Remember, it's crucial to know your rights and the law. If you find yourself in a situation with law enforcement, stay calm, comply with instructions, and if needed, seek legal counsel. Understanding the law can protect you and help you navigate complex situations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on legal matters and real-life stories. Stay safe and informed.